That's a great question. So there's a lot of things out there, and there's a couple of different codes that you have to be aware of. One of the codes the IRS has actually changed this year. Actually, it changed in tax year 2022, so it was last year. And as you use the code itself, what they wanted you to do is all of the amounts that you're expensing to be able to identify what the credit is, so it calculates the credit. Usually what you would do is have to put them back into income. Well, what they wanted you to do, instead of expensing them in the year you're in, they would want you to amortize them over a 10-year period of time. The type of R&D credit that we have actually is an IRS code IRC 41, which actually doesn't require that. So the new tax laws that are enacted don't actually reflect this particular situation. So it allows us to have a lot more businesses that can actually qualify for the R&D credit. So a couple of things that we look for: number one is, do you own a business? And then what kinds of things that can we see in wages and supplies and computer equipment? And then also education's another one in there too. And so those are kind of anybody. So you look at manufacturing businesses, they would have this. Printing companies would be another one. We specialize in the medical industry, so dentists, doctors, any kind of doctor. There's several types of those. Anesthesiologists, there's a lot of them out there that you could be part of that. A chiropractor, any of those kinds of people that you'd be working with. But there are a lot of other industries, almost every industry, where you would have these types of expenses, and a pretty good size amount of those expenses you would be able to qualify for the R&D credit.